Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Family Chef here. Greetings from me to you. Today we are going to cook tilapia, okay? Tilapia is the fish that people don't like it that much because it's a lot of work, and if you don't put too much seasoning, it's kind of tasteless. So today I'm going to show you a simple way to cook tilapia that will be so delicious, flavorful, and juicy. Okay. You see, when you cut it, you are not done yet. You see this? It's a lot of things going on here that you gotta wash it. Wash it, wash it. You need your lime. Let's give it a little bit of shake of salt. Alright, let's see the ingredients that we are going to use it to season the fish. I have my 2 peppers here. Jamaica pepper. It's really hot. That goes in the food processor. I have my onions, and I have anise seed and this grain of saline and clove. Okay, so I'm going to chop everything in pieces and put it in the food processor. I have clove of garlic. You can put it in. It's ready. Let's bring our fish back. Almost forget to make it. Put my knife through the fish so it will be cooking nice. This is going to go on refrigerator for 2-3 hours, or you can do it overnight. Let me show you one tip. You see this stuff? The rest of your ingredients, the rest of your blended ginger, peppers, onion, and anise, cloves, you don't have to blend it every day. You can blend more and put it here in cubes. Okay, this can stay in the refrigerator for 6 months. So if you have time, you buy all the ginger, your spices, blend it all together and put it here to the cubes and freeze it. Here I have my onions, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. That's going to go in the food processor too. We have our frying pan here, right? So let's see how we're going to put this together. Okay, it's been 2 hours. The fish is out of refrigerator. You pour all the juice that comes with the seasoning on top of it. Go in the oven and boil for 10 minutes. While I have my pan here, turn the fire on, put up olive oil. We are going to make a sauce for the fish. Do you remember our mixer? Remember our pepper and onions. Let's see the fish. Oh, okay. I'm going to turn it over and let it cook for another 10 minutes, then it will be done. Turn it over. That's going for another 10 minutes. Now our bell pepper and the onions is cooked for 10 minutes. It's done. Now you can see curry powder, teaspoon, lemon pepper, and this is allspice, and pinch of salt. What I'm going to do is just put this on top of it. Okay, the dinner is ready. Please, I want you to try this. Oh my God, oh my God. You see the food? How many minutes? I have my rice here. Let's garnish the rice. In fact, if this is your dinner this evening, is it not healthy? Regular white rice, I cook it, I put turmeric in. Turmeric. Okay? So next time I'll bring the turmeric rice. Now brown my peppers. Please, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe for me, okay? Family Chef, this is the end of my video. This is the end of my tilapia. Don't forget to be kind.